will describe the functions of Frecon's PV100 and 200 solar variable speed drive inverters. The pump inverters are designed for all sorts of applications where power is required to drive multiple pumps or motors in industrial processes. For example, is pumping of groundwater, which could be for creeks and rivers, lakes, irrigation facilities like your sugar cane or your cotton fields, pumps water from bores, wells and storage tanks. The system is run off a solar or could be used in wind generation systems where DC power is supplied through battery systems. This series of inverters uses DC power. To ensure a continuous supply of DC power to drive the pumps, the system uses what we call maximum power torque tracking technology. And this is to shut down the system automatically if the power supply is not sufficient enough to operate at the correct amperage. The system also has a dry run function, which prevents the pump from running dry when water levels fall below a predetermined point. This system protects the inverter's electrical systems and protects the pumping system from running dry and burning pump components and impellers out, which is the saving point for a lot of us customers. Another important feature of the system is the automation of the stop and start function, designed to stop the power supply as water levels decreases or increases in height. The PV100 and the 200 inverters do not require sensors to perform this function as it monitors the voltage loads being used during the operation. With the patented software being used in controlling the pumping operation, power is saved and valuable components are protected. This makes the Frecon PV100 and the 200 series the perfect choice for supplying water for all sorts of applications at low cost using green energy from natural resources. The PV100 and the PV200 pumping inverters can automatically switch to the main power grid. For example, if your battery systems are running low or the sun is not burning as bright as you would like, it would automatically switch over to the mains power, which has a continuous flow to the motors, keeping the water flow going. In addition, Frecon have an accessory, which is the time controller. Now this time controller can be set to take the power from the main grid at predetermined times. For example, if your power is cheaper between the hours of midnight and say 7 o'clock in the morning, it will automatically switch over and take use of that cheap power supply and switch back again at 7 o'clock. There is another option that you can purchase as well, and that is the remote control system. So if you're a farmer or an operator who is a long distance away from your inverters, you can use your desktop or your laptop to log into your inverter system and be able to stop, start, reset, take all the predetermined variables that have existed in the last 3 months, and you can also recalibrate. Now, to find out more about this, talk to Frecon or go into their website to get extra details. Thank you.